nila. Sana tuloy-tuloy mo lang yung kabaitan mo, tsaka yung pangarap mo sana matupad mo. Basta nandito lang kami sa tabi mo, gagabay, hanggang kaya namin, ibibigay namin lahat ng support namin. Yun lang, God bless lagi at good health. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Riyad. This is my message for you. Today, you step into a new chapter full of promise, dreams, and kind of beauty that only someone like you carry for effortlessly. You're finally 18, and I hope your heart is full of people around you who care deeply for you and wishing nothing but light, love, and everything you dream of.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to our beloved Iya. I hope you enjoyed your special day today, filled with surprises and excitement. All I can say is that good luck on your journey to adulthood. Don't be afraid to try new things while you're still young and need to explore. Good luck with your college life and everything else. Don't lose hope. We're here to help you and guide you, even with your silly and humorous things. You always do, which we all do. Thank you.
Happy 18th birthday again, Bia. Bia ako.
Iyak na yan!
I still can't believe that you're officially 18 na. I wish you all the best in life, from good health, good days, good people around you, and an exciting journey as an tourism student. Always remember, I'll be here cheering you on, no matter what path you take. Just like how I promise you to be your number one fan, and also your number one basher.
Kaya pala
Once again, happy 18th birthday, Bia. Be wild. Be wild. Enjoy mo lahat ng moments mo.
Wish ko sana matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo and good luck sa bago mong school, STI, di ba? Sana marami kang maging kaibigan, saka good luck and thank you sa pag-invite.
Hello, Bia. Happy birthday. And hindi ka na minor, legal ka na. So, I'm happy for you kasi nakarating ka dito na, nakarating ka na po. Tawag dito. Ngayon, malayo ka na sa amin. Iba-iba na tayo ng nilalandas sa buhay. But we're always here for you. So, lagi mo lang tatandaan na